Welcome back to Movement Monday. Today we're going to be talking about the quarter clock. Okay, so this is the first of our stability series movements that we are going to see. So for the next 4 weeks, we're going to be looking at stability-based exercises. Alright? And today we're looking at the quarter clock. And for those of you that don't know what the quarter clock is, don't worry, I'm going to show you. And yeah, so what the quarter clock is often used for is balance and stability of the lower limbs. Okay, it can also be used as a test, so as an assessment. Often practitioners use it to kind of analyze and see where a person's balance is at. And it's also used as a progression in a rehabilitation program for the hip, knee and ankle. So this is why I like it. It is multi-purpose. It hits more birds with one stone. And yeah, so I'm just going to take you through what it looks like and what you should look out for. Okay? So what you want to do is you want to find yourself a space, or even make a marking in the floor in the form of a cross. Or you can even use objects to put maybe a cone or a can or something in front of you, to the left of you, to the right of you, and behind you. Okay? Hence why it's called a quarter clock. So to start off with, you're going to go into a balancing position. So you're going to balance on one leg for me. I have these lines in the mat over here that I'm going to use. Okay, you might not be able to see it, but you'll see what I'm going for. Alright? So you're going to place your foot in the middle and you're going to lift the reaching leg up. Then from here, you are going to take one leg and reach it as far forward as you can. Now you can hinge over, just make sure your back is straight. And you can bend the leg that you're balancing on as well. Okay? And you're going to reach as far forward as you can, and you're just going to tap your toe onto the floor, and then you're going to come back up again. Then from here, you're going to reach as far to the side as you can. You're going to tap the floor, and you're going to come back up again. Then from here, you're going to reach as far back as you can. Same rules apply. You just tap the floor, come back up, and then you go around the side. You go as far as you can, tap the floor, come back up again. Okay? Important to note, what I don't want you to be doing is putting the foot on the floor and then pushing yourself back again. That's going to defeat the purpose, and then you're not actually relying on the balance of the other leg. Okay, so no pushing off, and that's in all corners that you move through. What I usually do is I go through about 2 or 3 rounds of that on the same leg before I switch to the other side. You will start feeling a burn depending on where you are struggling or where your instabilities are. You will feel it around the ankle area into the calf. You might feel it in the quad, and you might feel it in the hip here as well. I start feeling it in my glutes a little bit further on, and then earlier on in the ankle, but it may develop for different people differently. Okay, so that is your quarter clock. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a try, let us know what you think or how it feels, and drop us a comment. If you have any exercise that you want us to explain for you on a Movement Monday, please feel free to drop us a message and we will see what we can do for you. Alright, have a good week further, and I'll see you guys.